Good morning, colleagues. 2 tips from me today before Carly gives you 2 of her favorite Firefly tips. The first one from me is a Google Sheets tip. You can actually paste images into Google Sheets and you can move these images around and resize them. But the best thing about it is you can actually put them directly into a cell so that when you move rows around within the sheet, those images will follow it. So when you paste the image into a Google Sheet, all you do is you click on the 3 dots and it says here, put image in the selected cell. Now that allows me to move these images around and filter them and sort them. That would be great if that was a student image, for example, a picture of a student, so that if you had any mark books or anything else like that, you can put the images of the students. So a useful tip in terms of images in cells. It doesn't work for Excel, but watch this space, that's coming soon. My second tip is all about Edge. I keep on going on about the Edge browser, but I'm really loving these grouped tabs. So for example, I'm a tutor of year 7, so I just have a group tab for everything that's related to the tutorial program. So I have the daily notices, I have the Smiling Mind meditation stuff for the well-being side of things. I have ISAMs to take the register. I have a chat related to my tutor group, my mentoring notes, everything else, all under one nice, neat tab. I can also, from a student perspective, you can see here Tamoor, for example, he has his math stuff and science and all of his different subjects. Some students have it by day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So a really efficient way of being able to look after all of your tabs in your browser. It's called Group Tabs. Go to YouTube and type in Grouped Tabs in Edge. Take care, everybody.
Hi, my name's Carly Peart, and for those of you who don't know me, I work in the primary school in year 3, and I'm going to show you 2 quick top tips for using Firefly, particularly for those who are responsible for creating blog pages. So the first one is a delay publish, which is really useful if you need to publish or to want to publish something in advance, as opposed to saving it in the draft form. So I've started to create my blog, and if I go down to the blue button here, I can then choose here to delay it at a later date. So I always start my blogs earlier in the week, and then I'm going to choose to publish it tomorrow. So now if I click done, when I click done now, it will save it. It is published, but nobody can see it. And to change that, so for example, if I do now want to publish it today, I can just go back, same function, delete, and then click done, and then my blog will publish and it will be visible to everyone. My second top tip is about image size and compressing them. The majority of our parents tend to view the blogs on a device such as their phone. Big images can take up lots of space. So I've taken some photos here. Within that folder, I've created a quick little subfolder called compressed, just so I know the difference. I am going to select them all. Now I've checked the properties of these. They collectively are all just under 15 megabytes. If I click send to mail recipient, then I can choose the quality of my image. I'm just going to go for medium. I click attach. It will then create a pop-up within Microsoft Outlook. And these are all compressed images. I'm going to click select all, and then I'm going to drag them into my compressed images. Same images, but when I look at the difference in size, where are they? They are now less than 2 megabytes. So much quicker and easier for our parents to load on their devices. Hope they were helpful.